like to talk to you about are these dining chairs. They're slip-covered dining chairs that I got from IKEA, and I want to tell you what I think is so great about them. The reason why I went for a slip-covered dining chair was for four main reasons. One reason is my dining table, the legs on it have this turned leg that I really loved. And if I would have gotten a chair that had a different type of leg, I think that would have competed with it. Now, I didn't want to hide the chair legs either, and sometimes you can't see the legs of the table because the chairs are pushed in, but I did want, nothing to compete with it. I thought that would be more important. So that is why I went with a slip-covered chair, or one of the reasons. Another reason is I wanted my dining room to have a little bit more formality, because I live in a condo and I have a living room, my dining room, and then the kitchen over there. So it's all one space. And so I didn't want the middle section of my condo to look, just too kitcheny. And I also wanted my dining chairs to contrast with my bar stools over here. I really loved this kind of French little bistro. And I didn't want to match that kind of leg or style with this table, because I think it would have competed. So I needed something that was simple, like a Parsons chair with the straight leg, which this is a Parsons chair. Parsons chair is just a padded chair that doesn't have the long skirt on it. Okay, and you can't take the slip cover off, it's just permanent. But I decided to go for a slip covered type that I could take them off. Another reason I went for a slip covered dining chair is I wanted this area to feel more substantial and more grounded. And I do have that heavy china cabinet over there, but I didn't want things to look too leggy, since I do have some legs on that sideboard and on the bar stools. But my living room has some leggy furniture, like the glass table here. I wanted that open and glass so it wouldn't eat up too much of the space visually, so it'd keep it more open looking. And my side chairs have leggy legs. My sofa just has small legs, and that table over there has some legs to it. So those are the reasons why I chose a slip-covered dining chair. Now, when I was shopping for these dining chairs, it was quite a feat to find something. I had been looking on Wayfair, and they have lots of different chairs, a variety of them that are slip-covered. And I think the cheapest one was about $153, which wasn't bad. But with Wayfair, you get it delivered, and then if you don't like it, you send it back. And I just wasn't sure about that. And I think at that time, most of them were a lot more pricey. So I didn't want to go that route. But then I did end up going online, and I looked at that Anna Bay company. It's an online furniture, slipcover furniture. And I bought 4 of those, and the material was gorgeous, but the comfort was terrible. There was not enough cushion, and you could feel the frame of it. And the frame wasn't even wood, it was a metal frame, like one of those folding lawn chairs that you take to the soccer game that spreads apart. That's what it felt like you were sitting on, because the cushion was not sustainable or thick enough. So I had to send those back, but the material was gorgeous. But that didn't work. And then I looked at Crate and Barrel. And by the way, those Anabay chairs right now are $242 a piece. It's really expensive for one dining chair that doesn't have any wood. Then I went to, I looked at Crate and Barrel, and they had their Addison flange slip-covered chair for $419. And they only had 3 different materials at that time. And I could have gone that route, but I did still think it was a little too expensive. That would have been more expensive than my table was. And then I also looked at Pottery Barns, and yes, those were $400 and still too expensive. And so then I remembered IKEA. And I forget about IKEA. And there is one not too far away from me, but I went there and I saw the Bergmund, Bergmund chair there. And it was out with this cover on it. They have different covers. And I'll show you those in a video slice in this video. But they had like 4 different colors or covers. I wanted the cream, worked best with my living room. And I went for it. And I was able to get these, they're $135 for the long cover. You can also get a medium long cover for $135. And the medium was very cute. It's just a half, it goes down halfway on the legs. I don't know if you can see this, but it doesn't go all the way to the floor. It just goes about to here, halfway. It was really cute, but I wasn't sure about the wood here. Even though it kind of matches my floor, I didn't want to bring another color of wood in here because I have this color wood floor, and then I have this cabinet, and the wood on those legs is similar to the cabinet. So I didn't want to emphasize this blondish color or oak color. So I went all the way to the floor with the long cover. And you can get the Bergmund chair without the slip cover, and it's just like a Parsons chair. It's an upholstered chair, but it's only the top part that's upholstered. Now, because I got the slip covered one, you don't get the upholstery. See, it's just this mesh, because the slip cover is the upholstery. But if you get the Bergmund that is not with the slip cover, then it would be upholstered with a nice fabric. But it wouldn't go down far. It'd only come to like right here. Okay? And the back, of course, would be upholstered. So I really like these chairs. They are comfortable. Here, I'll sit in one. Try to get it in frame here. They are comfortable. I can move them around. I put little pads on the bottom of the legs so they don't, make noise when you slide, but they are so comfy. And my friends and I can sit at this dining table and sit for a long time. And they're very sturdy. I'm not quite sure what the weight limit is. I can look that up and put that in this video. But I did have a heavier friend come and sit down. And when she sat, she has a problem with her knees, so she kind of collapsed into the chair. And the chair did not break. So it's a decent, sturdy chair, and it's so comfortable. And the bottom of the chair, I'll just try to turn it and see if you can see what it's like. So you put it together. It's not hard to put together. There's like screws, and you just get the tools and you just screw it together. The harder part was getting on the slip cover. And I remember looking in the reviews, people were complaining about how the slipcover doesn't fit right, but you have to put it on right. There's certain directions on how you put it on, and if you don't put it on right, it isn't going to fit right. So there's different slots and places that you have to tuck certain straps in underneath and behind the chair, and then you'll get a really nice fit. So I'm not going to undo that and show you how to do that. You can figure that out if you buy it and get the directions. But the material's really sturdy. Again, you can take it off and wash it. I do have like a little glue stain here from like a sticker or something, but that's okay. It doesn't bother me. I did have to iron them, and they do kind of hold the wrinkles. So if you have like a steamer or something, or iron them twice or use some good starch, I think you're still gonna get some creases that last for a long time. But overall, I think they look great. Now, would I buy this for a fancy house in a formal dining room? Probably not. I'd probably want to go more high end. But for me in my condo, which is like not an economy condo, but I mean, it's an affordable condo, but it's not a luxury condo. Like, I need new countertops. So like, I'm not going to spend $800 on a chair for each chair when I want to buy new countertops, right? So I feel that this is a good enough quality, and it looks really nice in my condo with my furnishings, that it is, really affordable, and you can get the look, and it's not luxury, but it's good quality. This is like a cotton twill, I think. It's like a canvas almost. It feels similar to my curtains up there. Those are IKEA curtains that I really had to work a lot with. I had to iron them and get them cut just the right length. But I think they look pretty good up there. And I have some other IKEA curtains in a different room, but some things at IKEA are like decent quality and a really good price. So I'm really glad I found these chairs for this dining table, because I think it really works. So I just wanted to share that with you. I think that's pretty much all I want to say about it. But if you're looking for these chairs, you are going to have to go online. It says last chance for these long slip covers and the medium-sized slip covers. I don't know if they're phasing them out and they're going to start selling new ones, or if they're just doing the upholstered person's chair. But it says going quick on the website. So if you want these, exactly like these, maybe get on it and buy them. But yeah, I wish I could tell you that they're ongoing. I don't think they're discontinuing them, but they might be, at least maybe this model of the cover. But they might just discontinue them, and you might just end up getting the Parsons chair without the slip covers at all. But I thought I'd share that with you in case you're really interested and are looking for something like this. But I think it was a good buy and a win for me. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Bye.